So, Secretary of State, you'll be aware of my interest in the Asiya Bibi case that has been ongoing in Pakistan. It raises questions about the rule of law programme and whether it can be considered good and effective, whether the programme itself can be considered effective and whether the programme as well can be considered good value for money. It's £9.32 million of ODA money and an undisclosed amount of non-ODA money. And given the situation that we're seeing with the mob running rampant against the specific judgment of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, it does rather raise some questions for our own funding. I was wondering if you could tell me how you feel that money is being spent.
I think that it's being spent in line with what our National Security Council objectives and the agreed NSC approach to Pakistan. Pakistan remains, as Mr. Ptiḥkومت knows, a very important strategic partner for the United Kingdom. Working with Pakistan is important in our efforts to understand and to disrupt and defeat both terrorist and extremist groups